Guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the November 2025 treasure box for Potomac Beads. If you're not familiar with Potomac Beads, it's a company that does, they have monthly boxes, they sell beads, they have beautiful stuff. I will leave a link below to their website in the description. This box right here, it's priced at $39.99 a month. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99 a month, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99 a month, so it's $120 a year. So it's much cheaper that way. I've been working with them for a couple years, and I absolutely love what they send me every month. I get so excited when I get the package in the mail. So let's see. Okay, so this is called Leaf Season. The month's box is all about celebrating leaf season, that breathtaking moment when the air turns crisp and the trees transform into a tapestry of golds, ambers, and deep reds. This month's collection is filled with beautiful maple leaves, Czech glass, crystals, seed beads, delicates, gemstones, and more, all chosen to capture the rich, earthy warmth of autumn. Each bead and element comes together to mirror the beauty of falling leaves and inspire creations that glow with the essence of the season. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, I love every month they send us either the 2-hole or 3-hole round duo or round trio beads. They're so much fun. Oh, these are pretty. They're different. Metallic green iris. Oh, we got some wax cotton chain finish cord in brown. Oh, this should be fun. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with the round duo beads, turquoise Picasso 5mm, a package of 40. Absolutely love these. There's 2 holes in them. I love creating with these. Whenever I get these, I always use them all up out of the treasure box. They're like one of the first things I always go for. Can't tell if my lighting is off or not. Okay, yeah, so these are really pretty. And I love the Picasso finish on them. Okay, and next is the Azuki seed beads in metallic dark bronze, 11 O's. Let's get some of these out. I'll get them all out. I'll get some. These are really pretty. Their seed beads are so nice. Their beads are just very well made. Like the holes are really good. Everything's even on them. So if you're, creating, hand sewing something, you're not going to worry about it, the bead being off. And next is the Ava Beads Lava Red, package of 12. These are fun too. These are another 2-hole bead. And hold it up. You can see there's 2 holes on them. So you can sew them like against each other like that, or you can do them opposite. There's a lot you can do with them. You can make really pretty patterns with them. Okay, and next are the gemstone round rainbow agate round beads, 8mm. These are pretty. And the agates, there's a bunch of different colors on here. I like the rainbow ones. You can, just take them and just do a bracelet for yourself with them. You could put some seed beads in between them. There's a lot you can do with these. Very pretty. Okay, and next, Azuki seed beads, silver lined light rose 8-0. Let me put a few of these out so you can see them outside. Or you can see the silver lining in them. They're really pretty. Very pretty. Okay. And next, the Potomac pearls, the 2mm half strand. Let's get this. There we go. Okay. Very pretty. Oh. Yes, very pretty. Okay, and next we have the cup button Topaz AB apricot package of 2. Oh, these are pretty. That's the inside and the outside. A lot of people use these to make those wrap bracelets and then do the little hole to wrap around the button. That's fun. Oh, these are always one of my favorites too. The Czech glass maple leaves 11x13 opaque. I think it's opaque red. Oh, look how pretty these are. They're really pretty. Some have a little more dark to them. Some are just all red. Each one's a little different. That's what's fun about these, though. And the hole goes right down the center there. These make really nice dangle earrings, too. Okay, and next we have a wax cotton chain finished cord in brown. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is pretty. An antique brass lobster clasp and chain. You can make something pretty and hang it from there. Okay. And next is the Miyuki Delica Beads Opaque Glazed Burnt Orange size 11/0. These are pretty. You know what? I'm going to get one of my little white ones because I think you could see them better. And then the clear. Here, I'm just going to put a few of them in there. Yeah, I think you can see them better than that. Very pretty. You can see that shimmer to them too. Okay, and next, Potomac Crystal Ingot Beads, Metallic Green Iris. And the hole goes down long ways on these. These are really pretty. Look at that sparkle in there. Whoo! Sassy. Ooh. Really pretty. I would, now, I don't know how some people feel, but these two colors together I think would be very pretty. I'm seeing those two together. I don't know what's going to happen from them, but we'll see. And then Potomac Infinite Cabochon Clasp 12.5mm Premium Antique Brass Plated 12.5mm package of 2. Okay, and hold on, I might as well show you this. Now they sent us E6000. I don't know if it was last month or the month before, so we all have some leftover E6000. So see how pretty these cabochons fit into here. You can glue that in. Or they've sent us other cabochons before We could do some, and we could do another one as well. Then they have a little hole, and you could put them together. So we have 5 cabochons, and then 2 of the clasps. These are really pretty. Okay, and next we have Potomac Crystal Round Beads Jet 3mm package of 120. That's a lot of beads. You know how much we love our crystal rounds. I know I do. Okay, I just dumped them all out pretty much. These are so pretty. It's sparkle in here. They look like yeah, and they're faceted too. Even though they're round, they're faceted. So that really, that flat cut makes them really sparkly. Next, Potomac beads, Czech glass smooth rondelles, 3x6mm. Oh, these are pretty. These are so bright. And the hole goes in the middle. These can make really nice spacers when you're working on stuff. These spacers, really pretty. Love them. And then we have the bead and stone size diameter. This is really nice, and you just peel that off to reveal the wood that's underneath it. It's really nice to have this because you can put the bead in it and see, you know, the size. It's got millimeters. It's got to 4 inches. And then last but not least, we have a free gift, Czech glass dented round orange swirl. Oh, these look fun. Ooh, very cool. And then there's a hole up at the top. Oh, these are pretty. So now you could do 2 pairs of dangle earrings and then use this in a pendant. And I just might do that. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet with this. I like to unbox it and kind of get the creative juices flowing. So I hope you liked this leaf season treasure box from Potomac Beads for November of 2025. I can't believe it's November already this month. Oh my gosh, this year has flown by. I've had so much fun working with all these bead companies and just posting on my YouTube channel. I feel blessed to have a YouTube channel and have people that want to watch me create things. This is like, it's just so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will leave all the information below about Potomac Beads. I will also leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest. I'm also on TikTok every once in a while. Just look me up under BNJewelryAndArtwork. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so and give this a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.